Would you believe the day after Christmas we've got a hailstorm? Had tornadoes last night, flood warning today, and now hailstorm. It's not very big hail, looks like about the size of green peas or a little bit bigger, marble size. There it is on the roof of the carport. And with the amount of water running out there, we're having probably an inch an hour or better. A little hard to see from here, but it looks like we're about 41 degrees out here. We were 69 this morning.